Deep in the galaxy there exist stars so extreme, so unstable, and so powerful that even from thousands of light years away, they can erase entire worlds. These are Magnetars, the most magnetic objects in the universe, and when a Magnetar releases a burst, a blast of pure energy, it becomes one of the most dangerous forces known to science. Today on Cosmic Frontier, we explore what would happen if Earth was hit by a Magnetar burst. Let's begin. 1. What exactly is a Magnetar? A Magnetar is a type of neutron star, the crushed core of a star that exploded in a supernova. It is only 20 kilometers wide, more massive than the Sun, spinning rapidly surrounded by a magnetic field a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field is so powerful it can warp atoms, tear apart molecules, scramble electronics from light years away. If Earth ever crossed paths with a Magnetar burst, we would be in serious trouble. 2. What is a Magnetar burst? Magnetars sometimes snap, releasing an enormous explosion of magnetic energy in milliseconds. These outbursts can release more energy than the Sun emits in 100,000 years. Astronomers have detected Magnetar bursts from 50,000 light years away, and even from that distance they affected satellites. So what if one hit Earth directly? 3. The first sign satellites suddenly fail the moment a Magnetar burst reaches Earth. Satellites fail, communication stops, GPS collapses, radio waves distort electronics in orbit, would be fried instantly. The entire global satellite network could go down in seconds. 4. Earth's magnetic field gets overwhelmed. A Magnetar burst is not just light, it's a tsunami of magnetic energy. Earth's magnetic field protects us, but a strong enough burst could temporarily crush, weaken, or even invert it. This would allow radiation to reach the surface auroras to appear worldwide, the atmosphere to ripple and distort power grids to overload massive blackouts to spread across the globe. It would be the worst geomagnetic storm in human history. 5. The atmosphere takes a hit. A sufficiently close to Magnetar burst would release intense gamma rays. These rays could damage the ozone layer, flood the upper atmosphere with radiation drastically increase. UV levels trigger global climate disruptions. Plants, animals, and ecosystems could suffer long-term consequences. 6. Humans would feel the impact immediately. Even though the burst wouldn't directly harm people physically, its effects on technology and the atmosphere would be devastating. Expect global power outages, transportation shutdown, communication collapse, internet failure, financial systems halted. Human civilization would be thrown back decades in minutes. 7. If the Magnetar was too close, extinction level. If a Magnetar burst occurred within 50 light years, the radiation would be strong enough to strip away parts of the ozone, expose Earth to lethal UV radiation, trigger climate collapse, devastate oceans, cause mass extinction. Thankfully, there are no known Magnetars that close, but the threat is real on cosmic timescales. 8. Could we survive a Magnetar burst? Yes, if it's not extremely close. Humanity could rebuild power grids, restore communication, repair satellites, develop better shielding, create new magnetic protection technology. A Magnetar burst would be catastrophic, but not guaranteed extinction. A reminder of the universe's power, Magnetars are the most dangerous stars ever discovered. A single burst could disrupt the world in seconds, but they also remind us how rare, fragile and precious life on Earth truly is. The universe is powerful, but we are learning. Thanks for watching Cosmic Frontier. Subscribe for more journeys into the mysteries of the universe.